get boxing for the tools, because these tools better have something like that. Okay, this is quite smaller than I expected. I thought this would be much bigger, but let's take a look. It's actually quite handy, interesting. I thought this would be way bigger than I expected. Okay. I think it has everything I need here. This is the thing to remove the keys, and yeah, I think this is everything that I need, all in one box. Also got the spray stuff, it got this, does it have the tweezers? Oh, this is the most important thing. This is the most important thing I was looking for. So, sorry, I wasn't saying it. It's got everything you need here. And got this, it got this, it got all the... I think this is a really good deal. It's got these brushes, it got this thing also. It's actually a smoother brush, it's the hard one, so guess it works out. Yeah. It's got a bottle to put sanitizer and or some spit. What the hell is this?